It's raining. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. Bumped his head on the Betty thingy. Don't put it outside, it's raining.
I'm sorry.
You
Wait,
retard.
ow, 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 ow.
You know that means go fast or slow or something? No, I don't
Retard?
think so. No.
Oh.
Oh, it means go slower. It's retardando for something. Oh, for band. Stop putting it out in the rain!
I'm sorry. I didn't get wet though.
I wanted the thunderstorm. I love thunderstorms. And I love the rain.
Go like this.
I love the rain.
Go like this. Yes.
Can you take a picture?
No. I'm videotaping.
Videotaping
Go like this.
me?
Go like this.
I'm such a movie star. Why should I go like that? Ruff, 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 ruff. Hey, 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 hurry, 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 let's dance. Let's dance. Groove down. Now let's dance. Let's dance. Dance. Now let's dance. Let's dance.
Ah!
Let's dance. Ow. Rain jar, you nipped at me. You nipped at me.
Matt, stop.
What the? I was not a part of that in any way, shape, or form. I don't know what that was. Baby monger. The class is babies, so they need a baby monitor. Hey, dog.
Well, that's awesome because we have a baby monitor right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Duh.
And?
Ooh.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
I need.
Someone took a baby monitor.
I need chocolate.
That's what you think.
I need
Stop! Where is the voices coming from? Inside your head.
She's schizophrenic. Don't mind her. She thinks people are there when they're not. Spooky.
What are you talking about?
Spooky. Don't stand on the thingy that was massaging my foot.
I can massage your foot for you.
No thanks.
Okay.
That's kind of gross.
No, I mean with this.
You're locked in. What now?
Kel, we have windows and stuff.
Oh yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. There. Whoa, 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 whoa. Kiss this.
Okay.
Not literally.
Why am I a guy?
Not. Ooh. Yes. I have a thing for women. Not really. I don't get it.
Nobody can see my reflection.
Of what?
Of
There-
me, duh.
You don't have a reflection. You're a vampire. Remember that?
Right. You're that.
Mm-hmm. Duh.
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 But there's a mirror.
Double
right behind
duh.
You. There's a mirror right behind you.
My dog Jackie.
Your dog Jackie. I don't have a dog Jackie.
What's up, dog? I mean, seagull. Remember that? It's the wiener bird. It's into Wom. I can't move over. It's into Womster. Lobster. Oh my god. Water is all over my homework. Oopsie poopsie whoopsie schmoopsie.
That's what you get for playing with the evil guy.
What evil guy?
Me, duh.
So you're like the devil now? You're a devilish
No.
demon. You're a devilish
Not the
demon.
devil. It doesn't sound right.
You're a vampire. Vampire.
Vampire Matt. Matt, vampire. Matt the vampire. Doesn't sound right either.
No, not at all.
It's
So,
Matt's superhero. Woo! Yeah, that sounds great.
I have this wonderful iPod that has so many great songs on it.
Let's
and
take a close up on that.
close up on the iPod.
No.
Yeah.
The one that book is sticking out of your nose.
Hey!
Oh.
No embarrassing things like that here. There's seriously not a booger on my nose, right?
No.
Didn't think so. Because April Fool's Day.
Right. I knew that. I'm not playing
Seriously.
any tricks.
Chips Ahoy.
I didn't play any tricks. That's so weird.
That's just what it says, trust me.
What? Tricks Ahoy?
Yeah, Chips
Tricks.
Ahoy.
It says Tricks Ahoy?
It says Chips Ahoy.
Oh, Tricks Ahoy. Oh. I knew that.
Na na na, na 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 na. My body aches, you think I'm sexy, just reach out and grab me. I love these Chips Ahoy cookies. They're so good. Seriously.
You should do an advertisement.
Is that yummy? We should. So should.
Move.
Na 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 na, na 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 na.
Move your fingers.
I love this song.
Move your fingers.
I love it.
Tell.
Why?
Wait, no. Go put it back right there. Good.
I don't understand. Sometimes I am what I
Stop
am.
moving it, Kel.
What?
My name is Matt, and I'm not fat. And I have a hat.
With a cat in it.
Yep. Stop moving it. Let me glare on it. Okay, enough of that. 8 minutes already.
Alright.
Blah, blah.
The flavor of the week. Remember that
Weird.
place? That, ice cream place? I'm taking over. I am taking over. I'm showing you the blinds. And that is the end of our wonderful, lovely, fantastic, schmastic show.